Namaste everyone. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya Dhanvantaraye Amrutakalashahastaya Sarvamaya Vinashanaya Trailokyanataya Shri Mahavishnave Namaha. I welcome you all to my channel, Dr. Mahesh speaking, and I welcome you once again for the Charaka Samhita Pathana. If you are new and if you have not watched previous videos, you can watch the other videos in my channel, Dr. Mahesh speaking, in YouTube. And if you have not yet subscribed, and please subscribe and also click the bell icon so that you can get the notification of new videos whenever I upload. And without much delay, we'll move to the next session, ninth session. As you read it on the thumbnail, sugar-free sugar. Yes, how you may be, I think, curious to know how the Deerganjeeviteeya Adhyaya is going to give any information about sugar-free sugar. So a little curiosity is needed to learn more. So keep that curiosity till the end. We'll discuss about that. Okay. So without much delay, we'll move on. So in previous session, we saw that like which rasas or which are going to subside, which dosha and all. We studied that in previous session, that dosha shamana, how it takes place. Rasa is important. So how rasa is origined, how rasas are formed, what are responsible for the formation of rasa, that is dravya, mapa, kshitistata and all. So now we'll understand the Shadrasas and their karma with association of that of Tridoshas. So, Swaduramlo Athalavanaha Katukastikta Evacha Kashayashcheti Shatko Ayam Rasanam Sangraha Smutaha. Swaduramlo Athalavanaha Katukastikta Evacha Kashayashcheti Shatko Ayam Rasanam Sangraha Smutaha. So, Acharya Charaka says that after Rasotpati, he tells about the individual rasas. So, Swadhu, that is Madura, Amla, Lavana, Khatu, Tikta, and Kashaya. These are Shat rasas. Sangraha, generally, overall, these are the final rasas. This is the collection of said rasas. They are Madura, Amla, Lavana, Khatu, Tikta, and Kashaya. Okay, Shatko Ayam, 6 rasas. There is reason, even on counting also they are 6. Again, why 6? The word Shat is used. In commentary, we will come to know that. So let us see what Chakrapani says. Rasa Visheshanaha. So previous session we saw that dravya mapa kshiti rasanartho sastasya dravya mapa kshiti stata. That means how rasa origined as a entity. Now Vishesha Nivruttaucha Visheshecha Kadeyastraya Pratyo Kadeyastraya means remaining manifestation of remaining sad rasas, total sad rasas, how Akash Mahabhuta, Vayu Mahabhuta and Agni Mahabhuta are going to play the role. That is explained. Now, Vishesha, Rasa Visheshana, individual rasas are explained in this context. How it starts? Swadur Ityadi. Atra, see, for everything, this is the beauty of literature, writing of text or whatever in Ayurveda. See, Atra, the quotation starts with Swaduramlo. Atra, Sarva Pranina Mishtatvad Adau Mudra Uktaha. See, Sarva Pranina Mishtatvat Ado Madhura Uktaha. Generally, commonly speaking, everyone likes sweet. There will be exceptions, but you have to consider the large number of people, even the animals and all, like Madhura Rasa. So that is why first Swadhu, that Madhura is explained. Tadanucha Pranyavistotkarsha Krameneva Amla Adi Nirdesha Kramo Bodhavyam. After that, as per the preference of individual preference. So after Madhura, next most appreciated is Amla, next is Lavana, next Katu, next Tikta, lastly Kashaya. So in that order, because of that perception, or what you can call people desire to have rasa, so what you can affinity towards rasa taste, so they are followed in that pattern. Shatka iti punaha, as I told, why when we count them they are 6, but still again the word shatka is used, shatko ayam. Shatka iti punaha sankhya karanam paravadi mata sapta sankhyatwadi nishedhartam, because at the time of Samhita Kala, Charaka Kala, there were some other acharyas who said there are seven rasas, sapta rasas. Some people consider Kshara as one of the rasa. So to nisheda means to say that, to contradict that one. There is no seventh rasa. To say like that, again the word shatka, that sankhya is given. That is the reason why kashayas-cheti shatko ayam rasanam sangraha word is used. Shatka iti punaha sankhya karanam. Again telling the sankhya, the number. Paravadimata sapta sankhya. Paravadimata means others of Samakalina of Charakacharya. Sapta Sankyatvadi Nishedartham. So to contradict those people who say that there are seven rasas, to justify that one, it was said. Now, individual rasas, how they act on doshas. Swadvamla lavanaha vayum, kashaya swadutiktaha jayanti pittam, shleshmana kashaya katutiktaha. What it means? Swadu amla lavana vayum jayanti, kashaya swadutikta jayanti pittam, kashaya katutikta jayanti kafam, or shleshmana. Means madura amla lavan rasa, they do vata shamana. Kashaya swadu, that is madura and tikta rasa, they do pitta shamana. Kashaya katu tikta rasas, they do kafa shamana. That is what is the meaning of this quotation. Let us see what the commentary says. Rasanam upayuktataram karyam aha. So the suitable, correct karma of rasa is explained in this, in reference to, special reference to doshas. How it starts? Swadu amla ityadi. Atracha vayor nirasasyapi rasasacharita snigdhatwadi guna viparitaihi prashmodneyaha. See, vayu, vata dosha will not be having any rasa, nirasa. Then how one rasa can do, subside as something which is not having any rasa? It has to be something, no? So what Acharya says, it is not the rasa, madura, amla, lavana rasas that are subsiding vata. It is the rasa sacharita, the gunas that are associated, inherent to that rasa, that is snigdhatva, gurutva, stiratva, adi gunas, gunair viparitaihi. These will be opposite to the gunas of vata, ruksha, lagu, shita and all. So opposite to that, because of that, vata prashamana takes place. Similarly, evam madura rasasyapi shleshmano amla lavanabhyam snigdhatva abhishyanditwadi sacharita guna yogadeva vruddhihi. Similarly, now he is giving one example of vruddhi. Shaya he told, because of rasa sacharita snigdhatwadi guna viparita, they are opposite to vataja gunas, so that is why they subside vata. Now he will be telling about increasing doshas. He is giving one example of shleshma. Evam, in the same way, madura rasasyapi amla lavanabhyam api shleshmano snigdhatva abhishyanditwadi sacharita guna yogadeva vruddhihi. So the snigdha, guru adi gunas, abhishyandi gunas, which are there with madhurasa, amla and lavana rasas. So because of that, kapha vruddhi takes place. It's not directly because of rasa that kapha vruddhi or kapha kshaya or vata vruddhi or vata kshaya is taking place. See, further he says, atracha ye prashamakatvena rasa vatadina na ukta ste vardaka bodhavya. Why it is said? Because in main Charaka Samhita, mostly we won't get these two lines. That is why it is given number 1. Katu amla lavana pittam, swadu amla lavana kafam, katu tikta kashayascha kopayanti samiranam. This is not explained. That is what it says. Katu amla lavana pittam kopayanti, swadu amla lavana kafam kopayanti, katu tikta kashaya kopayanti samiranam. It's like that. Vata prakopa. They do vata prakopa. So this is not explained. So what Chakrapani says in short, atracha ye prashamakatvena rasa na ukta vatadinam. Like for example, for vata, swadu amla lavana are explained as prashamana. Other than this, remaining 3 rasas which are not explained as vata shamaka, they are to be considered as vata vardaka. Similarly to pitta also, kashaya, swadu, tikta are said to be pitta shamaka. So opposite to this, katu, amla, lavana, remaining are pitta prakopaka. For shleshma, kashaya, katu, tikta are said to be kapha shamaka. So opposite to this, that is swadu, amla, lavana, they are going to be kapha vardaka. Like that we need to consider. Yadaha vagbataha, he uses cross reference from Ashtanga Sangraha, Vagbata Sootrasthana. That is Tatradya Marutam Granthi. It is Ashtanga Sangraha. Tatradya Marutam Granthi Trayas Tiktadaya Kafam Kashaya Tikta Mudra Pittam Annetu Kurvate. What it says? Tatradya, Starting first, Madura Amla Lavana, Vatam Nanti, they subside Vata. Trayas Tikta Deha, Tikta Katu Kashaya, Tikta Katu Kashaya, they do Kapha Shamana. Kashaya Tikta Madura, because this is not in order. Madura, first one, Kashaya Tikta in second category, second, third. Okay. First three, Madura, second three, Kashaya Tikta. So, Kashaya Tikta Katu, Kashaya Tikta Madura, Pittam Anyetu Kurvate, means they subside Pitta. Rasa Karmam Atidesheneva. Atidesha means some other place. In other chapters, it is said that Guna, Karma, Virya, Vipaka, they are also explained. So, Rasa Karma Atidesheneva, Guna, Virya, Vipaka namapi Karma Nirdishta Krita Eva. So, by Rasa, as it is said, Madhuramla Lavana, because of their Rasa, they are doing Vatashamana. It is Atideshan, as they are explained in other chapters, that these actions are due to guna, virya, vipaka also. They are also to be considered in this context only. That is why it is said, ni rasasyapi, rasasahacharita snigdhatwadi guna. It is said like that. Yato, he uses cross-reference from Atrebhadra Kapya. Yato maduradi raseneva sarva gunan virya vipakascha nirteksha Atrebhadra Kapye tatra swaduhu. It is said Madhur Rasa, what it does, it is said. Tata Katutikta Kashayanam Vipakaha Prayasha Katuhu. So Guna is explained there. Vipaka is explained like Kashayat, Katutikta Kashaya drugs will be always generally having Katu Vipaka. Amlo Amlam Pachate, Swadur Maduram Lavanastata. Amla Dravya will be having Amla Vipaka. Madhur Rasa and Amla Rasa will be having Madhur Vipaka. Sheetam Virene Yadravyam Maduram Rasapakayoho. Any dravya which is generally speaking, if it is Sheeta Virya, usually that will be having Madhur Rasa and Madhur Vipaka. Tayoramlam Tadushnam. In that, any dravya which is having Ushna Virya, that is usually having Amla Rasa, and any dravya which is generally Ushna Virya, that will be generally will be Kadu Rasa, like that it is said. So Atideshena, by in Rasa only we have to consider the other karmas, the attributes of the karma, response, the what you can call factors that bring in action, karma, are also to be considered under Rasa only. It is explained like that. Now coming to sugar-free sugar. What is sugar-free sugar? Generally, a sugar-free sugar, they are called as non-nutritious sugar, NNS. They work by allowing brain to register the sweet taste, yet the way they are broken down in our body is different from the sugar, general sugar. They are synthetic sugars as well as these non-nutritious sugars. But the main thing in this is, so we get the taste of sweet without extra calories. This is very important. These sugar-free sugar, why even diabetic patients, they consume that sugar, they is claiming that sugar-free sugar, because they consume even weight, the people who are overgain, who have overweight. So to avoid excess calories, they go for sugar-free sugars, isn't it? Though what is the main thing what focused here is, it is not the rasa, it is the calories. The calories are dependent on the guna virya vipaka. They are dependent on the sahacharita gunas. Like for example, if it is lagu, 100% it will be having less calories. If it is guru, it will be having more calories. As per Ayurveda, you can consider like that. So what we have to consider sugar-free sugar as? Sugar-free sugar means ruksha lagu dominant madhur rasa, or apatarpaka or abrahmaniya madhur rasa. Best example is yava. If you refer the madhumeh chikitsa, prameh chikitsa, it is said that yava, which is already ruksha lagu but madhura, madhur rasa, madhur vipaka. Okay, it is still not going to cause kapha vruddhi, or it's not going to increase kleda. So as per modern terms, we can say it's not going to have produce or give more calories. So those also further they are still reduced. Still they are made apatarpaka by, like one, there is one formulation where it is said, one context where it is said yava, they are to be kept in Trifla Kashaya whole night and next day they are to be used. Means Trifla Kashaya is already doing Rukshana, and the Ruksha, Lagu, Yava, Jawar you can consider, which is, if you keep it in the Trifla Kashaya and all, again it becomes still, Lagu, means it loses further its calories. So it will be having Madhurasa, but it will not be Brahmana, or it will not add to the weight or sugar. Simultaneously, there is reference that these Yava and all are to be fed to the animals like cow and all. Then when they like defecate from their cow dung, we have to separate them, we have to take back those yava, and then they are to be cleaned and used for eating. Means again The Gomaya, or even we can use them like processing with Gomutra and all. Gomutra itself is Ati Lekhana. Ati Lekhana, Lagu, Tikshna, Sukshma, Guna Pradhana. So when some drugs which are already, though Madhur Rasa already Ruksha, Laghu, if they are processed with such drugs, again they become still Laghu. Means they lose their calories. So what is sugar-free sugar? As per Ayurveda is sugar-free sugar is nothing but whatever diet explained in Ayurveda for Prameha, all can be considered as examples for sugar-free sugar, nothing but low-calorie diet. Even naturally existing low-calorie, even even naturally existing low-calorie diets were processed through scientific ways, through Ayurvedic ways to make them still low in the calories, so that the people suffering from the diseases of high calorie intake can consume them without adding into their calories. So that is what the beauty of Ayurveda. So that is nothing but I took this one from the meaning of what is that? Payor ni rasa sapi. Payor ni rasa sapi rasa sahacharita singh. That means even though rasa is not there, it's directly saying that it's not the rasa that is working, it is the guna that are present in that rasa that are working. So if same madhur rasa, if it is not having snigdha, if instead of that, if it is having ruksha lagu gunas, then instead of doing vata shamana, it will increase vata. It may cause vata prakopa. So that is what is the meaning of this. And that type of sugars can be considered as ruksha lagu khara, or what you can call ruksha lagu apatarpaka madhur rasa as sugar-free sugar in Ayurveda. I think it is clear. Okay, let us see, move further. Now what is said, as per the gunas, particular gunas subside vata and all, then because of particular rasa, particular dosha shamana taking place like that, it is said. Now, if anything that occurs beyond the calculations or understanding of rasa with the karma, that this rasa does this karma, if we are able to explain, that is okay. If it is not possible to explain why that action is taking place with the consideration of rasa, then all those karmas are to be considered as prabhavajanya karmas. So that is what is Acharya is telling in next, as he is classifying Trividha dravyas. He says, Kinchat Doshaprashamanam, Kinchat Dhatupradushana, Svasthavruttau matam, Kinchat Trividam dravyam uchyate. So there are totally three types of dravyas. The dravyas can be divided into three categories. Which are those? Kinchat Doshaprashamanam. Kinchat means some, not all. Some. Some are Doshaprashamana. Some Kinchat Dhatupradushana. Some are Dhatupradushaka. Kinchat Svasthavruttau matam. Some are Svastharutta, for maintaining the well-being of an individual. So Trividam dravyam uchyate. So like this, three types of dravya are explained. So what Chakrapani says, Ato avashishtam dravya karyam prabhavakrutam vaktum prabhavavedena dravya vedam aha. Avashishtam karyam. Avashishtam dravya karyam means the karya which is not possible to explain considering the rasaguna viripaka. Those karya are to be considered as prabhavakrutam vaktum. To say that the karyas which are not possible to be explained, justified based on rasaguna viripaka, they are to be considered as prabhavakrutam. They are because of prabhava. So prabhava vedena dravya vedam aha. So now Acharya is explaining the dravyas, classifying dravyas as three based on the prabhava. Now it starts kinchid ityadi. Kinchid iti na sarvam, not all. Some. Kinchit means some. Doshasya doshayor doshanam va prashamanam dosha prashamanam. What it says, doshasya dosha or doshasya prashamanam or doshayoho doshana. Directly dosha prashamana or prashamana of vikriti, dosha of dosha. That is the vikriti that has occurred in the dosha. Doing prashamana of subsiding that is called as dosha prashamana. Here one thing we have to consider, dhatu means not rasadi only, it is the prakrita doshas also to be considered. That is explained here. Dosha grahanena. So what we have to consider by dosha? Not only vata pitta kapha. Dosha grahanena dushta rasadayopi grannante. So by dosha we have to consider the three doshas as well as rasadi doshas, rasadi dhatus. When they get vitiated, they are also called as doshas. Tena dravya mahimna yad doshanam dushtanam rasadinam dhatunam va shamakam amalaka duralabadi tadgrihyate. So the Shamana done by Amalaki, Duralabha, etc., which do whether Dhatu Shamana, Rasadi Dhatu Shamana or Prakupita Dosha Shamana, there that Prashamana is to be considered because of Dravya Mahima, that is because of their Prabhava, as Amalakam hi Shivatva Tridosha Haram. Because of Shiva, Shiva means Kalyanakara, good, because of good quality or Kalyanakara property, the Amalaki is considered as Tridoshahara. Duralabha chapi Vata Pitta Shleshmari. Duralabha is also Tridoshahara, Vata Pitta Kafahara. So this is because of Prabhava. But again there is a question, because in the context of Amalaki it is explained, Yadyapi Amalakasya Hantivatam Tadam Latvat, such type of explanations are there. So how Tridoshahara property is attained, that is explained there with the help of rasas. As it is said, Hantivatam Tadam Latvat. Because of Amla rasa, it reduces Vata, like that it is said. Because of Shita Vira, it subsides Pitta, like that it is said. Ityadina Gunadwara Tidosha Haratvam Uchate. In that chapter, based on Guna only, Sushu Samhita, based on Guna only, it is said that the Amalaki does Tridosha Shamana. Tatapi, that also, Tat Prabha, Tata, even though Tat Prabhava Brahmitam Eva Bodhavyam, even though that is explained, but that action is also to be considered as a result of Prabhava, because यतस्तत्र आम्लत्वादिना पित्तादिको अपि युज्यते स तु आम्लक प्रभावा न भवति. If at all it is based on rasaguna rasa, then because of amla rasa, pitta prakopa should have taken place, but it is not taking place. So how it is done? That is controlled by prabhava. Because of prabhava only, amla rasa, instead of acting on pitta, it acts on vata. Shita virya, instead of acting on vata, acts on pitta. So that is because of the prabhava of the amalaki. धातु दूषणमिति वातादीनां समत्वेन शरीरधारणात्मकानां तथा रसादीनां च दूषणं किंचित यथा यवक मंदक विषादी. So dhatu dushanam means, dhatu means not only rasadi dhatus, even sama prakrita avastha, the vatadi doshas, vata pitta kafas, which are there in prakrita avastha, when they are in prakrita avastha, then they are considered as dhatus. Actually dushanat dhatavah Dharnat, sorry, Dushanat Dosha, Dharnat Tatava Malnikarnat Mala word. This phrase is, this is wrongly used at many contexts, like single lines are used. Actually, all the three lines are explained for Tridoshas only. So when Tridoshas, Vata Pitta Kapha are in normal avastha, they do Dharana of the Sharira and they are called as Dhatus. When they are in excess, when the Prakopa takes place, at that time they do Dushana of the body, they are called as Doshas. When they become too excess, at that time they cause Malanikarna. They call like Malnikarna, dirt, like think what you can call Malnikarna means Atishayana Dosha Sharira. So because of that, same Tripdoshas are called as Malas. So here Dhatu means not only Rasadi Dhatus, it is Prakrita Vatadi Doshas also. Which are those? Dhatupradushana, Yavaka Mandaka Vishadi. What are Svasthavruttau? Sustum avatistate nirogatvena iti swastaha. Means Sustum, the one who always remains, exists or persists with no diseases, nirogata, who stays in a niroga avastha, free from diseases, such person is called as swastha. Okay, tasya vrittihi, swastha vritta, swastha rupataya anuvartanam. Tasya vritti means, swastha vritti means karma or maintenance. So swastha rupataya anuvartanam, the maintaining of that well-being, maintaining of wellness, nirogata of the person is called as Svasthavrutti. Tatra Svasthavruttam matam abhimatam pujitam iti yavat. Matam means abhimatam, abhipraya means it is accepted. Those which maintain the well-being of an individual are called as Svasthavrutta matam. Abhimata means that is considered like that. Sankhya nirdeshadeva tritve labde. Again it is Trividham Dravyam Uchyate. Again, on count they are three, but again they are said to be, they are count, the Acharyas have told three, the count, because Trividha Grahanam Niyamartham, it is to say compulsory, because Tena Samshodhana Samshanadinam Aneka Vidhanam Api Atra Eva Avarodha. Shamana, Samshamana, all whatever treatments are there, they all, if they are not able to if you are not able to not possible as to explain them based on rasa guna virupaka, then whatever the other karmas are there, including Shodhana and Shamana, they all fall under these three categories only. That is Kinchat Doshaprashamana, Kinchat Dhatupradushana, Kinchat Svasthavrutti. रसायनवाजीकरणे तु स्वस्थवृत्तं वृत्तिमात्र एव उक्तः. In रसायनवाजीकरणे it is said स्वस्थशोचस्करं यत्तु तदृश्यं तद्रसायनम्. It is said like that. प्रतिपादे किंचित ग्रहणं दोषहरत्वादि कर्मणां विभिन्न द्रव्याश्रयत्वोपदर्शनार्थं. Why it is said किंचित? Because this doshahara property is not in same drug. In only one doshahara property, in only one doshavardhana property, in only same dravya, in same dravya, dosharana, dosha shamana, dosha swasthavrutti, maintenance of well-being of an individual, they are not existing. It's not possible. So that is why some are like this, some are like that. It is said. Okay. So he says, ekakinchit grahanena, ekakinchit grahane. If only one is considered, then dvekam eva dravyam doshaharam Dhatupradushakam Svasthavrutam idam cha sat na tad abhimatam. So eka is considered. Ekam Doshaprashamanam, ekam Dhatupradushanam. Like that, if it is considered, then what happens? It's not possible because these karmas are dependent on different drugs. So if we consider eka only, then what happens? Eka dravya doshahara, doshakara, isn't it? Doshahara, Dhatupradushaka, Swasthavruta, it's not possible. Na tad abhimatam. So that is why that is not accepted, and that is why it is kinchit word is said. Nanu Svasthavruttamatanam raktashali shastika yavardinam dosha prashamanatvam api drishyati. As Svasthavrutta, the raktashali, shastikashali, yava and all, these all are said to be Svasthavruttakara. They are good for maintaining well-being of an individual. But simultaneously, they have dosha pramana property also. Then why you can say only Svasthavrutakara? Yato vakshati tatra tatra raktashalyadinam jvarado prayoga. He giving example because in there wherever in some diseases wherever needed there in jvara etc. conditions these raktashali and all are used. Tata prakriti sharira desha kala matravi yuktam dosha prashamanam api doshakaram bhavati. Even though dosha shamana dravya is there, if it is not used correctly because of change in prakriti, desha, kala, matra and all, then even though dosha prashamana, it becomes doshakara. Yata amalakam atimatram agnimandya ityadi neyaha. So amalak is said to be shamana, tridosha shamaka, but if it is used in excess quantity, it will cause agnimandya. Means same dravya is doing other function also. Then how we can consider? Tata dhatu pradushanam api dosha shamanam drishyate. Dhatupradushana dravya, like Visha, it is said, Mandaka, Visha, like Visham Udaraharam. Visha is said to be Dhatupradushaka, but simultaneously it is Udarahara. Tata, Tade, Yadeva Mandakadi Doshakaram, Tadeva Kshina Dosham Prati, Dosha Vritya, Samyapadanena Dosha Prashamanam Bhavati. See, again, as Mandakadi, Dosha Vriddhi, they increase dosha, they cause Dhatu Dushti. Then if they are used in Kshina Dosha Avastha, they bring that Kshina Dosha to normalcy. Then that will be considered Dosha Prashamana. Tadevam avivasthitatvat kinchit dosha prashamanam api ityadi. Kinchit dosha prashamanam ityadi viruddham. If we consider like this, then kinchit dosha prashamanam, kinchit dhatu pradushanam, it becomes contradicting. So questions are there. So let us see what chapter 1 says. Atrochate. Svasthavrutti matam raktashalyadi dosha prashamanam api bhavati param tat prayah svasthavrutti tatvat swasthavrutta nimittattvena grahyate. So prayah word is important. What he says? Svasthavrutti matam raktashalyadi. It is said the raktashali, shastikshali and all, they are particularly for swasthavrutta maintenance of well-being, but simultaneously dosha prashamanam api bhavati. Simultaneously they have dosha prashamana property. Param tat prayah, but importantly tat prayah, that is swasthartha, they are basically mainly going to maintain the well-being of an individual, not dosha prashamana. Okay, that is why they are to be considered swastharutti matam matatvena grahyate. So that is why they are to be considered the swastharutha. Vachanamhi swasthashorjaskaram yattu tadvrishyam tadrasayanam prayah. Swasthashorjaskaram yattu tadvrishyam tadrasayanam prayah. Mainly Dravyas which are maintenance of Swasthavrutti, they are Rusha and simultaneously they are Rasayana. Prayena Roganam Dvitiyam Shamane Hitam. Others are mainly used for dosha shamana or vyadi shamana. Praya shabdo visheshartam. Praya means specificity. To say specificity, the praya word is used. Upayam, he upayartha krit. If upaya karma dravya is there, then they are doing upaya karma. They do dosha shamana as well as they have swastasya urjaskara also. Okay, so because of that, kinchit word is said. Okay, dosha prashamanam api. Oh, sorry. दोषप्रशमनानि द्रव्याणि विगुण प्रकृत्यादि प्रतिबंधक अभावे दोषप्रशमनम् आचरन्त्येव प्रतिबंधक सद्भावे तु न कुर्वन्ति न चेतावता तेषां स्वभावो न भवति. So what is said, when दोषप्रशमनानि द्रव्याणि विगुण प्रकृत्यादि प्रतिबंधक अभावे, like even like Raktashali and all, even though they have dosha property, but when there is no dosha prakopaka circumstances, then they will act as dosha prashamana. Dosha prashamanani dravyani viguna prakrityadi pratibandhaka bhave. Viguna prakrityadi pratibandhaka means dosha vardaka circumstances. Pratibandhaka, these are pratibandhaka, these are the obstruction for dosha prashamana. If their abhava is there, if they are not existing, then they act as dosha prashamana. Dosha prashamana acharanteva, they act as dosha prashamana only. Pratibandhaka sadbhave tu na kurvanti. But if dosha prakopaka causes are there, then they will not act as dosha prashamana. Na chetavata tesham sasvabhava na bhavati, because that is not the natural swabhava of those raktashalis and all, because their swabhava is Svasthavrutti. Na hi agnir mantradi pratibandhan kadachin na dahatiti dahakatvena na upadishyate. Means sometimes even though Agni, because of mantra and all, even though it is there, it may not cause the burn, it may not damage, it may not cause dahana. It is not because that dahana karma is lost, it is there in that. Evam Dhatupradushakasyapi. Similarly, Dhatupradushakasyapi kadachit dhatu prashamakatvam nimittantara yogat bhavat. Nimittantara, like Visha acts as Udarahara, because already there is excess clay there. Visha is acting as Pramati there. So already there is lots of avarodha and all. So to remove that one, whatever it's, that Tikshna karma and all are working, they are not going to damage because of that excess clay, the avarodha and all. That Tikshna gunas and all, they will be lost while fighting with them only. So they will not be damaging the body. Instead, they may be causing the shamana. But generally, when it is not there, when avarodhaka bhava is not there, at that time it will cause dosha prakopa only, dhatu pradushana only. So that is why it is said, evam dhatu pradushakasyapi kadachit dhatu prashamakatvam nimittantara yogat bhavat. Nimittantara, there will be some other factors, contributory factors. Because of that, even dosha prakopaka will act as dhatu shamaka. Dhatu pradushaka act as dhatu prashamaka. Dhatu pradushaka swarupatam hanti. Because those circumstances disturb hanti dhatu pradushaka thing. That same example is, if a very sharp sword is there, and if a person is wearing a complete iron body armor, then with the sharp sword, even if the person is hit, the sword will not damage, because it's not because it has lost its function, it is because it is having some obstruction. If without kavacha, if person is hit with the same sword, it will damage. So vishas and all, they are like that only. Yata salilasya agni sambandhat ushnatvat. Because jala is shita virya, arushna shita, but if it mixes with ushna agni, it becomes ushna. That is circumstances. Because of circumstances, the actions may change. Tasmad yadyasya prayikam ananyopa Tasmad yadyasya prayikam ananyopadikritam cha rupam teneva vapadesha yuktaha. So that is why which drugs are said to be of performing what karmas, which type of karmas, that is to be considered vapadesha. Generally, that is to be considered, not the exceptions. There will be exceptions, but we should not consider the exceptions, because exceptions are occurring because of other reasons. Yacha mandakadinam. Further he explains about mandaka. Yacha mandakadinam china dosha vardakatvena dosha prashamakatvam Tadvidyamanam api. It is said as Kshina Dosha Vardhana Mandaka does, even though it is said to be Dhatupradushaka, but it as Kshina Dosha Vardhana it does, but Kadachit Katvata, Kadachit Katvata Tvat Tata, Kadachit Katvat Tata, Hi Uttarakalam, that is only for some time it will do. If same is continued, Uttarakalam dosha avahatvacha na vyapadishyate dosha prashamakattvena, because it acts as viruddha, it increases dosha, okay, but after some time it will fail to eliminate the doshas out, it will not eliminate the doshas, and hence it is not considered as dosha prashamaka. आदौ दोष प्रशमनं ग्रहणं तस्य एव अभिप्रेतत्वात्. So first dosha prashamana, kinchit dosha prashamanam, kinchit dhatu pradushana is said like that. First dosha prashamana is considered because that is given prime importance in Kaya Chikitsa, like in this tantra, in Chikitsa Sutra, Chikitsa Tantra. Nanu Svasthavrutti matam dravyam bhavi dosha haratvena dosha prashamanam eva. See, this is also one very nice question. That is why reading commentary is so nice. But Svasthavrittakara dravyas like Raktashali and all, when the person is indulging in that, it is going to prevent the prakopa of any particular dosha, or it's going to prevent dushan of any particular dhatu. So by that, we can consider it as dosha prashamaka. So for that also there is reason, explanation why it is not to be considered. Na eva, not like that, because na hi स्वास्थ्यानुवृत्ति जनकत्वात् दोष निवृत्तिकरम दोष हरणम उच्यते. So by maintaining the health, not allowing doshas to increase is not considered as dosha harana property. So it is not allowing doshas to get prakupita, but not allowing property is not considered as shamaka property. It's not to be considered as, it's going to reduce the doshas, it's going to do dosha prashamana, because kim tarhi समधातूनाम् अवर्धकत्वेन अक्षयकारत्वेन च रसादि स्रोतसां च अनुगुणत्वेन धातु साम्यानुवृत्तिकरम उच्यते. But what we have to consider, as it is going to maintain the samadhatus, as it is not going to increase the samadhatus, that is dosha and dhatu, and it is not going to bring any kshaya in those dhatus. So that is why, and it is suitable for rasadi srotasam cha anugunatvat, and it is suitable, it is good, friendly for the srotas and all rasadi srotas. Dhatu samya anuvritti, so it maintains dhatu samyata. That is why they are considered as swasthavrittakara. Dhatu samya anuvrittikaram uchyate. That is why they are considered as swasthavrittakaras, not dosha shamaka. Vachanam hi patyam pato anapetam yat. So patya is that, swasthavrittakara is that which is not harmful. Apeta means, anapeta means not harming to the pata. Pata is srotas. So something which is not harmful to the srotas, that is called as patya. That is nothing but swasthavritta kara. So that's it, friends, in this session. So if you have any doubts and queries, any questions, please write in the comment section. I will try to answer them. And if you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe and also like the video, and click the bell icon so that you can get the notification of new videos whenever I upload. And please share these videos about the information of Charaka Samhita Pathana. We are doing it on a daily basis. Daily I will be uploading one video so that the reading will become easy, understanding will become easy. So please share this video and information to maximum number of Ayurvedic scholars. So as I always say, read and forget, but don't forget to read. So take care, stay healthy, stay happy, happy learning. See you in next video. Until then, take care. Bye. Namaste.